In front of me is INFINIX Note 60, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. First of all, launch Settings and scroll to hit Safety and Emergency section. Now, click on Emergency Contacts. And before doing anything, hit Change Settings. Make sure this switcher next to Show Unlocked is enabled. Without it, your contacts won't be accessible from locked screen, so this feature is super important. It's always good to double check if it's on. Then go back and tap on Add Contact to click on all of your numbers you want to add to emergency contact list. Just tap on the one and do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. To manage your list, click on those three dots next to any contact and decide if you want to move it up, move it down, or remove it from the list, not from your phone, by clicking on the Remove button and then Remove in the pop-up. Either way, now with my contacts successfully added, let's check out if they are accessible. I will switch off my screen, turn it back on and swipe to hit Emergency at the bottom left corner. Now, Personal Emergency Information. And as you can see, my contacts are here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!